Hi guys, sorry that took a while. Welcome back. Today we're going to be starting the school dance. I know you've all been wondering why I haven't posted lately. It's because I'm behind schedule and I'm sorry. There will be 2 videos out today. And today you're probably wondering why I'm a boy. It's because this is my second account and we're going to get a lady that I think will be the right girl for me for the dance. Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock. I've got to find a girl to be my date. Any in here? Should I just type it? Okay, the school dance is starting. I still don't have a date. My date, anyone. So no one wants to be my date. I'm kind of lagging, but cookies, cookies, where are you? Okay. So where is she? Hi. Hiya. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Okay. You can be my date. Okay, you can be my date. Say hi. You're welcome. You're welcome. Dance. Dance. Let's go dance. Or limbo. Fine with either one. Okay, so many people are in my way. I'm just gonna sit over here. Ah, what a lovely seat. Oh, that girl with the pink dress is kind of okay. Oh, she's pretty too. Oh, that dress reminds me of Elsa. Oh, what's wrong? Uh, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, she's new. What? Trying to. Ew. Okay, so her name is Cookies. Can't seem to find it. There it is. Ugh. Okay. Disgusting. I think that this girl is kind of like the popular girl who just wants to be prom king and queen or whatever you call it. Oh, lovely. Oh, yep, I called it. Everyone wants to be the prom queen and queen, you know it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna head back to my dorm and just, you know, chill. Probably like get some furniture for it, which I haven't yet gotten. Wait, what's that girl's user? Who won? I want to know. Share a dorm with her. Find out more. Hi. You're not a cutie. Cuti. C triple U. What? She must be really cute. Lol. So I'm gonna head back to my dorm. Should be up here. Huh. Claim dorm. Let me check. She's probably already sharing with somebody. So many dorms free. Hmm. Oh, there's my date. The one on the shed. That was my date. Adrian. Ugh. Hate. He could be like try to kiss my date, but I don't really care because I only just joined. So I can't seem to find where her dorm is. Maybe she just joined like me. Maybe it's down here. No. Should I go ask her? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ask her if she wants to be my dorm mate. If she's still there. Unless she went back to her dorm. Okay. Oh, she's so cool. Look at her. Hi. Want to be friends. Dorm mates? 50,000 diamonds. I don't even have that. Okay, follow me. Follow me. Ha 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 ha. Um, good night. Okay. So I'm not sure if I should get wings or not. Maybe it's a bad idea, but you know, maybe I could. Girl, you're a fairy. You can fucking fly. Oh my god. I'm lagging. Girl. My date left me. I'm not a good flyer. Just try. Please. Ugh, okay. So, should we walk? I mean, it could.
It's 3:45.
Sorry about that. Sorry. I needed a dorm mate. Okay, so just come with me. She's a bit of a slow walker. Okay, so my date is kind of come on. Is that her? Luna? No. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so okay. Come on, let's go. So I've been a prince for about ever since I was born. Well guys, this is just roleplay, so it's not actually real. Okay. Let me just close chat. Come on girl! Those heels ain't there for nothing. Oh my gosh. Sorry about the background noises. Okay, come on, girl. I know your ears are hurting, but please move a little faster. Move a little faster. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna go up here, claim my dorm, you know, blah blah blah. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you had a lovely video, and you'll see me next time with a girl in my dorm. Okay, over and out. Goodbye. Yes. Sorry guys, I'm back. Yes. Why, what? Oh my god! Hurry up and type! Why, what? My fucking god. You could have asked my to be your roommate. But you just left me. Sorry. I was too tired to walk back. Oh my god, hurry up. Oh my. Tina. Hey. Okay, well then. I bet you're going to what? What? No, just friends. No, just friends. She's